Hey, what's going on, everybody? Bitcoin Chris checking in once again. Happy Friday. And shout out to all the veterans. We appreciate you and appreciate your service. Let's jump right into the Bitcoin charts right now. So if you have not heard, it's official. FTX has filed for bankruptcy. So we are seeing the ramifications of mishandling funds. Of course, this is something that we were all pretty much expecting after all the news that has came out over the last few days. So it's really not a surprise that, again, FTX is bankrupt. So we'll see what transpires. And we did have a sell-off earlier this morning with Bitcoin, but it seems like we're pumping at the moment as soon as this chart will load, but it's not loading. So let me see if I can just, oh, there it is. Okay, cool. So I think here we have a double bottom on the, I'm looking at the 3-minute chart. If you're trading, this is a time frame you can look at. And yesterday I did say that it looks like we had a bull flag and it did not play out how I wanted it to play out. So that failed. And I'm not a trader, but I do recognize patterns and I do trade sometimes, but I do short the shitcoins. So here it shows that that the bull flag broke out and really been bearish ever since. I think actually this is over. Let me actually zoom out here. Let's go to the 1-hour chart and see where that will take us. Okay, so yeah, that was over here. We got pretty close. I've been moving this pole around, but it's this right here that I was talking about. So here I had this bull flag here, and I said we should go up to about 18.6, 18.5. We only got up to about 18.2, 18.3, and then we started to fall. Then this morning we got news that Sam Bankman-Fried is and FTX has Sam Bankman-Fried has stepped down, and FTX is or has filed for bankruptcy. So let's see here. Let's jump down to the 4-hour chart. See what that's looking like. If that will ever load, but while that's, instead of doing that, I'll just flip the screen here and we'll go ahead and look at the screen here on the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, it does show here that, again, I was saying that we could see some upward momentum, but because of the news that keeps coming out, looks like we just keep coming down. We got a lot of sell pressure here as well. Let's see. A lot of sell pressure. So the last 4 hours, it's 108,000 Bitcoin that were sold, and coming up on this 4 hours, we got 23,000 Bitcoin that were bought. All right, so let's go back to the 1-hour. 1-hour chart, it shows that we got some downward momentum, and we're just pretty much testing these lows here. I did on the 3-minute chart show that I think that we hit a double bottom on a short-term analysis, so hopefully we can bounce back up. Who knows where we can go? Let's check out the daily chart. Not looking too good. We got some bearish momentum coming down here. Let's see. We do have a lot of sells on this day today. Yesterday we had a lot of buys, a lot of people buying, 600,000 in buys, and then today we have 300,000 in selling pressure here today. All right, and as you can see, we are selling. So we'll see where we end up today. I do want to also let you guys know that you guys can get $10 free Bitcoin if you guys use the Swan link in the description below. Also, just make sure that you take your keys off exchanges and get you a nano ledger or whatever hard wallet that's not connected to an exchange, because you want to make sure you secure your money, secure your keys, secure your Bitcoin, secure your digital assets. So that's pretty much the breakdown today. Again, thank you for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe. Also, make sure that you stack up while you can at these incredibly discounted prices. We'll see if we go down lower to 15K again, retouch that. if we can head up from here. But I think we did get an overreaction with the selling of FTX. I do think that they are planning to use that as a opportunity to basically bring regulation into the space and pretty much just pass laws to minimize and stagnate and prevent innovation in the space. So shitcoins are gonna do what shitcoins do. You know, they're gonna fail, they're gonna fall. Bitcoin's gonna do what Bitcoin is gonna do, is continue to go. Scarcity, finite, and there's only 21 million. And out of that 21 million, sure, 3-4 million or more are gone forever, especially with all these exchanges going down, Celsius, FTX, et cetera, Voyager. This has a lot of implications with FTX filing bankruptcy. And then I just saw a tweet by Bitcoin Zay showing that basically 134 entities are all under that umbrella of FTX that also had to file bankruptcy. So this is a crazy week in the Bitcoin or crypto space. So make sure you're paying attention. Make sure you follow me on Twitter, and all that information is down below. Much love. Happy Friday. Peace.